Next, chordata is divided into three subphylums. So that is hemichordata, tunicata, cephalochordata. It is wrong. Hemichordata separate category is given under non-chordates. So that is first one is urochordata. So that is next one cephalochordata and next one vertebrata. So that is fourth statement is again wrong. So right statement that is only 2 and 3 statements are right. Okay. And next one more question is given from that is structural organization in animals, that is cuboidal epithelium with brush border of microvilli. These are present. So brush border epithelium helps, that is increases the surface area. That means microvilli increases the surface area for reabsorption of the product. Say, okay, where do you find these are cuboidal epithelium? Eustachian tube? No. Okay, lining of intestine? No. Ducts of salivary glands? No. Okay. PCT? Proximal convoluted tubule of, that is nephron? Yes. Okay, because in PCT 70 to 80% of electrolyte that is reabsorbed. So this is from body fluids and circulation. Match the following and select the correct option 2. So column 1 and column 2. Eosinophils. Eosinophils function is given. Eosinophils, what is the function? So that is release histamine. Okay, and so destructive enzymes. That is the eosinophils function. Basophils. So basophils release the granules which contains the histamine, that is. Okay. And neutrophils. Neutrophils involved in phagocytosis process. And lymphocytes. Lymphocyte, that is B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes. So B lymphocytes which produces the antibodies. So which shows the immune response. Okay. So correct the match. Here the matching. Okay. Second option you can take here. And one more question that is given from the human reproduction. So which of the following hormone levels will cause the release of ovum? So that is ovulation from the Graafian follicle. So in this case of, that is here menstrual cycle. Here the menstrual cycle. On menstrual cycle on 14th day. Here the Graafian follicle. Okay. From the Graafian follicle, ovum in secondary oocyte stage. Secondary oocyte stage, here immature ovum that is released, where LH surge occur. LH surge means peak levels of luteinizing hormone. Is luteinizing hormone which responsible for ovulation actually. Okay, that is. But here the options is given like this only. First option, low concentration of FSH. Okay, so low concentration of FSH. So FSH, follicle stimulating hormone. So that is the development of these follicles in, okay, so that is ovary. So this is the not correct answer. And high concentration of estrogen. Okay, see here at that time from these primary follicles, in primary and secondary follicle, that is which are follicles are present, a granulosa tissue is present and theca interna which secretes the estrogen more. At the time estrogen levels slightly increases. Okay, in this case of on 14th day ovulation process. Yes, high concentration of estrogen at that time is, okay, so one of the reason for this ovulation process. And high concentration of progesterone secrete increased their levels after the rupture of this Graafian follicle. Okay, so progesterone levels after the rupture of this Graafian follicle where corpus luteum is synthesized. So this is not correct. Low concentration of LH, low concentration of luteinizing hormone, it is not reason for this. Okay. High concentration of luteinizing hormone if is given, and you can choose, okay, this answer too. Okay, so as per this option so high concentration of estrogen is the answer. And next one more question is given from respiration. Okay, from first year human physiology. So that is select the correct events that occur during inspiration and expiration. In inspiration and expiration, diaphragm, okay, that is a dome shaped structure, and external intercostal muscles. So external intercostal muscle, these are involved in inspiration and expiration. So in the case of inspiration, okay, what are the events occur? First statement is given, contraction of diaphragm. Yes, earlier diaphragm is dome shaped. Because of the contraction it becomes, so that is flat. Yes, contraction of diaphragm. So this is the right statement. And contraction of external intercostal muscles. Yes, here contraction of external intercostal muscles increases. Okay, so that is thoracic volume. So here the dorsoventral side. So here elevated thoracic volume. So in this case of diaphragm, if diaphragm undergo contraction, anterior posterior direction, so here the thoracic volume increases. Okay, yes, both statements are right. Pulmonary volume decreases, thoracic volume increases, na? Okay, so pulmonary volume decreases is, okay, no, here the pulmonary volume that is increases, not decreases. So if the pulmonary volume increases, intrapulmonary pressure automatically that is here decreases, but is mentioned increases in the statement. So 3 and 4 statements are wrong. Only 1 and 2 statements are right. Okay, and next. And this is from reproductive health second year. This is also NCERT question is given directly. In which of the following techniques the embryos are transferred to assist those female who cannot conceive? Here embryo transfer that is 8 blastome year stage and more than 8 blastome year stage. Okay, so first option gift and ICSI. So gamete intrafallopian transfer, only gamete, not embryo. ICSI, intracytoplasmic sperm injection. So this statement, this question, option is not correct. Gift and gift. Okay, so gift, it is wrong. Gift, ZIFT. Okay, so that is zygote intrafallopian transfer. So this is the right statement, but gift is there. So this is the not option 2. ICSI and GIFT. So this is also not correct statement. One of the option is given. GIFT and IUT. Yes, intrauterine transfer where embryos are transferred and ZIFT. Okay, so again where automatically embryos are transferred. So option is GIFT and IUT. Okay, easy question NCERT. And next one. So this is also NCERT question, easy question, important question. So that is infectious stages of plasmodium that enters the human being's body. Okay, here plasmodium, the tiny protozoan which causes the malaria. So here the plasmodium infectious stages. What is the infectious stage of the plasmodium? So that enters into human being's body when the here female Anopheles mosquito bites. So that is options is given like this only: male gametocytes, tropozoites, sporozoites, female gametocytes. So now male gametocytes and female gametocytes. So these are the sexual stages in human beings. So that enters into mosquito body when the mosquito bites the infected human being's body. So these are the not correct. Tropozoites present in the entamoeba histolytica life cycle. Okay, so this is also not correct. So sporozoites, yes, sporozoites, the infectious stages when the female Anopheles mosquito bites, these enters into human being's body. So that is third option. So this is the this question is from the again human reproduction. Match the following is given. Identify the correct option. Placenta. What is the placenta? So that secretes the HCG, human chorionic gonadotropin hormone. And next, zona pellucida. Yes, it is the layer of ovum. And bulbourethral glands. Bulbourethral glands present in male reproductive system helps in lubrication of the penis. And Leydig cells secretes the androgens. Okay, so this is the options. Okay, you can choose the options according to the matching that is. And this question, it is from the genetics. Okay, so select the correct match. Okay, first option is given like this: thalassemia. Okay, so thalassemia is X-linked is given. So X-linked is no, it is autosomal recessive disorder. So this is the wrong statement. And hemophilia is given Y-linked. No, it is X-linked recessive disorder. So this is also not correct. Phenylketonuria, it is given autosomal dominant trait. No, it is autosomal recessive. Okay, so that is wrong statement. Sickle cell anemia is given autosomal recessive trait. Yes, present on chromosome number 11, the allele which is responsible for sickle cell anemia. Okay, so where this chromosome number 11 possess. Okay, so this is about this question. And next, One more question it is given from structural organization in animals. So that is, which of the following is the most abundant protein in animals? In animals, most abundant protein he is asking. First, insulin. Okay, this is proteinous hormone. Okay, this is not correct. And hemoglobin, it is respiratory pigment. Okay, this is okay, not the most abundant. Lectin. So lectin, it is present. It is okay, protein. It is present in raw legume plants and grains like wheat. Okay, where this lectin protein is present. Okay, so here raw legumes like soybean. Okay, so where this present? This is also not correct because it's asking animals. Collagen. Yes, collagen is the chief protein. Okay, that is present. So in the animal's body. Okay, that is most abundant. Okay, next question. By which method was a new breed? So that is Hisardale of sheep. That is in Punjab. Okay, Hisardale. Hisardale. So this is the sheep. So that is produced. So that is by Bicanary ewes and Merinorams. Okay. So these are the two different species. So that is here crossing between Bicanary rams. Okay. And sorry, Bicanary ewes. Okay. And another species. So another species Merinorams. Okay, Merinorams. These are the two different species. By crossing in between these, Hisardale, a sheep that is produced in Punjab, and in which what kind of method that is here present in this cross? So that is inbreeding. Next one, that is outcrossing and mutational breeding, cross breeding. Okay. So here first one, inbreeding. Inbreeding, that is here close related people. So that is crossing. So inbreeding is not correct. So outcrossing. Okay, outcrossing, that is here between the two species. They don't, and at the same time they don't have any that is common ancestor for 4 to 6 generations. So this is also not correct. Mutational breeding. Okay, mutational breeding is also not correct statement. Cross breeding. Cross breeding, nothing but it is two different species. So that is a superior male and superior female. The cross between the superior male and superior female. So that is two different species. Okay, that is here breeding process. Okay, crossing karte. So that is nothing but cross breeding. So answer is cross breeding because these are the two different species.